What is JavaScript? Welcome to the world of coding, where JavaScript reigns supreme. It's a scripting language that brings web pages to life. Imagine websites as static paintings. JavaScript turns them into interactive art pieces. It's the magic behind all those pop-up messages and dynamic web content. JavaScript is universal, running on almost every modern browser, making it a must-know for aspiring web developers. Dive into JavaScript today and start creating your own interactive web masterpiece. JavaScript is open source, and there is a vibrant and active community of developers constantly contributing to its development and creating a wealth of resources and libraries. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.